In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and animate Excel charts in PowerPoint. If you've ever found yourself wanting to create dynamic presentations that capture your audience's attention, you're going to appreciate this guide. Using animated charts effectively can transform dry data into engaging visuals. So let's get started with a practical walkthrough of this process. First, you need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure that you have your presentation ready where you want to add your chart. Now, we're going to navigate to the specific slide within your PowerPoint presentation where you'd like the chart to appear. With your slide selected, let's move on to the next step. Take a look at the top of your PowerPoint interface. You'll see several tabs. We're interested in the one labeled Insert. Go ahead and click on the Insert tabs. This tab is your gateway to adding a variety of elements to your presentation, including images, text boxes, and of course charts. Now that we're in the Insert tab, you'll notice an option for Chart. Click on it. This will open up a gallery of different chart types. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on creating a pie chart. Scroll through the options if you need to, and once you find the pie chart, go ahead and select it. After selecting the pie chart, confirm your choice by clicking OK. This action places a simple pie chart onto your slide. Initially, this chart might not reflect the data you want, but don't worry, you can easily customize it to fit your needs by editing the data in Excel, which PowerPoint opens automatically, or you can do it later. With your pie chart in place, it's time to bring it to life with animation. Direct your attention to the Animations tab. You'll find this right next to the Insert tab. Click on the Animations tab to open up a whole host of animation options ready to be applied to the elements within your slide. Now, with the chart selected, browse through the animation options. You can choose from simple entrance effects to more complex sequences. Take your time to explore what each option does. For a pie chart, you might want something like fly in or appear to gradually introduce each section of your chart, creating a visual build that keeps your audience engaged. Once you have found the animation that suits your presentation style, click to apply it to your chart. You can fine-tune your animation settings by adjusting the duration and order of animated sections, ensuring that your data is presented clearly and effectively. Voila, you've successfully inserted and animated a pie chart in PowerPoint. These animated charts can greatly enhance how you convey information, providing a clear and visually appealing way to communicate complex data. Practice these steps and soon you'll be creating engaging presentations that are sure to make an impact.